Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are welcome, my dear followers. Today, inshallah, we will continue the Arabian alphabet. Let's start. Bismillah. Qaf, qaf, qaf. Kaf, kaf, kaf. Lam. Try to pronounce after me, please. Lam, lam. Mim, mim, mim. Noon, noon, noon. Ha, ha, ha. Wow, wow, wow. Ya, yeah, yeah. As we said before, that all the Arabian letters have three shapes or four, let's say. One in the first of the word, the second in the middle of the word, the third shape is in the last of the word, connectly or separately. Let's begin. Qaf, qaf. It is strong letter. Qaf. Qaf in the first of the word. Qaf in the middle of the word. Qaf in the last of the word connectly. Qaf in the last of the word separately. Qaf, as we say, al-haq. Al-haq means the right. The right means al-haq. Alif wa lam means the. Alif wa lam, this is lam. Lam, like this. Alif wa lam means the. Haq, right, al-haq. Kaf, kaf. Kaf in the first of the word. Kaf in the middle of the word. Kaf in the last of the word connectly. Kaf in the last of the word separately. As we say, kul. Kul, it means all. Kul, all. Lam. Lam. And the first of word lam, like that. Sorry. Lam in the middle of the word, like that. Lam in the last of the word connectly. Lam in the last of the word separately. Like here, kul, yeah. Kaf, like that. Lam, like that. Kul, all. Mim. 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 Mim in the first of the word. Mim in the middle of the word. Mim in the last of the word connectly. Mim in the last of the word separately. As we say, Makkah. Makkah, this is ta marbuta. We will talk about it inshallah in the next videos. Makkah, mim in the first of the word. Kaf in the middle of the word. Ta marbuta in the last of the word. Inshallah, we will talk about in details. Noon. Noon also the same. Noon in the first of the word. Noon in the middle of the word. Noon in the last of the word connectly or separately. Noon. As we say, Naim. Na'im. Happiness. Happiness. Naim, it means happiness. Ha. Ha. It is the same somehow. Ha in the first of the word. Ha in the middle of the word. Ha in the last of the word connectly. Ha in the last of the word separately. This is letter, somehow some different about the another letters. Wow. Wow in the first of the word. Wow in the middle of the word. Wow in the last of the word connectly or separately. Wow. 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 Woo. We pronounce it like that. The last letter in all the Arabian letter is Ya. We pronounce it Y. Yeah. It is also the same. Ya in the first of the word. Ya in the middle of the word. 2 points. Ya in the last of the word connectly. Ya in the last of the word separately. Ya. Try to pronounce qaf, 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 qaf. Kaf, 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 kaf. We pronounce it k. We read it as a letter kaf, but we pronounce k. Lam, l, l, l. Kul, kul, kul. All. Kul, it means all. Mim, 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 noon, 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 ha in the first of the word, ha in the middle of the word, ha in the last of the word, ha in the last of the word separately. Wow. Wow in the first of the word. Wow in the middle of the word, just one hand, just has one hand. Wow in the last of the word connectly. Wow in the last of the word separately. Ya in the first of the word. Ya in the middle of the word. Ya in the last of the word. Ya separately. In the last of the word connectly. Ya in the last of the word separately. Try to practice, try to pronounce, try to write, try to memorize the letters. Because inshallah, next video we will talk about the letters with al-harakat. Al-harakat, it is something somehow like vowels in English. That's all for today. هذا كان كل شيء لهذا اليوم. I hope for you the best. أرجو لكم التوفيق يا رب. It is honor to me to subscribe my channel. Follow, like, bell the ring please. Good comment like you. You are welcome. Assalamu alaikum.